In today's video, I'll show you guys how to enhance your game's realism with high speed reflections that improve car shine, lighting, and overall visual quality. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, select the download option, and you just need to wait for 10 seconds. As you can see, the car looks shining. Select the download now option. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close stuff here and right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Just drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination and select do this and select continue. And just close stuff here and launch the game. I will add a before and after comparison so you can easily compare two of these cars. In after video you can able to see the car looks shiny. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.